Chugga chugga choo choo. What's up, guys? AK Crazy Russian. Something going on with YouTube, man. I'm telling you. Let me. So, sometimes speed of upload dropping. You know, when I try to do the video on the main channel. Cheers. And good morning, good afternoon, whatever time you have. I just turn it on the live. We'll work a little bit on the engine. But what I did yesterday, I tried to upload. I'll take it back. I need a cut of that previous version of the installation video. Oh, Baltimore, what's up? Hey, what's up, man? And that takes forever. Usually it's, what was it, like 15 minutes video or something? And man, oh man. So I decided not to do any streams in the evening, but actually it was like almost like midnight or whatever. So just who's streaming, you probably know what's going on, but that just, if you're starting, just expected maybe some issue. Okay, we are, and I make my decision. So with all my nice wiring here, even I'm using kind of expensive wires, but I'm very happy to use it. I'm keeping the decoder, so I found another part of the previous original. Hey, brother. What's up, Vlad? on English type Vlad. So guys, I'll put the link. I think that link for Vlad, the railroad name of his wife, on my main here in my main channel. So welcome to check his videos. He's like crazy about right now about T-Track. Is that correct? Yeah, T-Track, just N-scale T-Track. I want to be correct. So I'm not gonna do much right now, but just talk to you guys a little bit what's going on. Yeah, YouTube is definitely changing, like dramatically, and it's not going smooth. Okay, so if you knew to YouTube, that's probably good time too. So you're not gonna, if you're starting right now, you're not gonna do like bunch of mistakes, I guess. You just see how people and YouTube clarify a lot of what's the name? Cheers. I need some coffee. Coffee right here. I'm not going anywhere. So the terms and what to do with it. I think the partially problem with them, with those advertising, big advertising, and I think advertising for small, whatever you want to advertise, let's put this way, channel, business, social network, your hobby, man, your whatever, it's probably the best time, because right now the beauty channels and everything will be like perfectly working, and YouTube, I will get their money no matter what. But hold on. Hold on. I just saw those. Ha! There we go. Yeah. I didn't get the expression, sir. 100 grams means of what? Like vodka or something? А я переключился на бурбон теперь. Володь, это, блин, в выходные я замучу видос обязательно, потому что сейчас... Anyway, so the big company like hire or ask some their employees or whatever to put advertising through AdWords. That's how it's going, right? So you're not calling physically, right, to the manager of some radio station or TV broadcast company or whatever to get advertising, to signing contracts and all that stuff. I think in about like 20 minutes, you can go, man, on using AdWords on Google, right? So here we go. Baltimore, my man. Just wanted to say thank you for everything you do for us. Oh, thank you for support, my man. Yes, I don't have any means I open for donation, but there is no super chat on this. So just come back to the live streaming on my main channel and welcome to say thank you. Although I'm just kidding. Yeah. So, but that's the reason you need like 1,000 subscribers to do that. We have only 33 right now or something. But thank you very much for support, guys. Yes, let's move hobby back to business. So all those guys who supposed to be putting those advertising on AdWords, they just because YouTube, if you understand what I'm talking about, my point is there is the very good mechanism, and I use it maybe 2 years ago. I use AdWords for just trying for the business. Look how the decoder will be looking here, huh? Look at this. Yeah, that's my extra 2 functions. So I have 6 functions on that decoder. Headlight, 2 headlights, 2 extra green and purple, and 2 more. 6. So there is a tool in AdWords. No, I don't think so. I'm going to use... Yeah, let me finish with AdWords. So you can describe exactly which word it can trigger. So it's fully customized, okay? So if you don't like some bad words, you put that words. And if the video has that, yes, you probably can, smart guys can bypass everything, but there are different tools to kind of protect your advertising not going to some bad stuff, And maybe some people want to advertise on some crazy stuff. I don't know. Something who businesses with like defense or like self-defense or surviving or whatever, they want some rough stuff, to get that people attention, and that's cool. So anyway, YouTube is in... I'm glad it's happened. I really do. I'm really happy. So first, they can get rid of some channels, not really, or like channels making... I think I'm not repeating myself. Hold on. It's every time I'm getting my new different tools, I need to go through entire box, man. Yeah, that's the reason, guys. Hard to... Come on, Alex. Oh, here it is. Never mind. Okay. Tip of the day. As I promised you, I try to give you like a tip of the day. What you see here is double-sided tape all like all season outdoor. So there is like super strength, and it's not like cheap one has some sticky stuff on, kind of glue to it. No, the whole thing is like it's made of that sticky stuff. Okay, so we're carefully installing it here. Okay, to the decoder, and it sticks pretty much to anything, man. That's crazy. So long story short, YouTube cleaning all that stuff, and some new guys probably can hurt because some spammers, I don't know, try to spam your channel, coming to your channel, leaving stupid comments, and you just need a deal. Don't hesitate. Just block. Don't talk to them. Don't answer. Don't argue or whatever. Maybe like 2 smiles. The person will be happy. And suddenly, when you hiding them, they thinking they know everything about it. But at least you keep them happy. Oh yeah, that's good. So everything will be cool, and I use like a tape from here to there for like wire management. So we will be clean. Everything's cool. Let me, you know, it will be probably easy for the maintenance, right? So let's just do plug. Yeah, I have a plug. 8-pin plug. So 8-pin plug to 8-pin plug. Some issues, whatever. I can disconnect everything pretty much. 6 wires except like maybe 2 wires. But ESU, yeah. Usually I'm using plug. What's going on? Let's think about it. See, that's the reason, guys. You make your decision, or you think through, trying at least. Think through, and if it's a couple of mistakes, whatever. See, I don't have any colors here, but that's my diagram. I maybe show you like 10 times already. That's my diagram. The length of the the vinyl insulation, if it's, yeah, it's not vinyl, it's something different materials anyway, of insulation on wire. Don't worry about the color, but that's how I'm describing which wire. Yeah, means it gives me only like 3 functions here. 3 functions. Yeah, yes. So it gives me green. Anyway, I need another function to the, so 1, 2, headlight, rear, headlight, Mars light, 1, 2, it's on 2, marker lights 3, number boards 4, okay? That's, I'm out of functions right now of this. So the number 5 is, and 6 will go out to the tender for the rear light. Make sense? Yes, that's very nice. Yeah, no, I'm just going to solder straight to all these guys here. Starting, yeah, like that. Keep the plug. Opa, here we go. I tried to put that railroad videos, and I'll definitely do, since I will figure out how the YouTube is working, means because I don't have anything here. Yeah, or I can use like hotspot or whatever. So just to use the phone to get the signal. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, well, I can figure out different video source so you can guys watch also trains, but definitely we'll do it. So good. It's built very good. Okay, so let's start with pickups. Pickups. Yeah, because I throw everything, I need to disconnect it here, right, and then test it again and make sure it's going to the tender properly. Here we go. Ta-da. We'll stay probably for another, like, as soon as I get connection and able to test the engine. Yeah, here I go. Oh, you know what we're going to do? We're going to test the motor and the polarity of the motor. Bingo. Watch. Maybe just clean a little bit area so no mess. Okay, it's not gonna like jump or run like crazy. No, that should be good. So that's what I'm doing. I have just the decoder. Okay, that's supposed to be insulated. I'm not sure what's happened. Where's my Captain Tape? Hold on. So I have a lock pilot. I think it's just regular lock pilot. I think it's even, yeah, whatever. So it's not really insulated. That's, I think I tested someplace else, but that's okay. That's no problem. Just need a big piece of Captain Tape. Well, first I want to insulate that thing here real quick. Wow, for watching. Hey, I bet you. So when you new to YouTube, right? YouTube, of course, wanna help you. Like we'll do like that. See? Very nice. And they try to help you first and see how you're doing. So if you're starting YouTube, those days, you better just have a plan, unless it's like a pleasure or hobby or whatever. Like for me, it's like half and a half. The cooking channel is definitely kind of commercial, so it's Uniline, but there is like tons of TCS. We're selling all those Captain Tape, you know, whatever. Okay, so I'm not gonna mess insulating the decoder thing. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to taped it, secure with like tiny little bitty, see how it will work. Tiny little bitty tape, and the end I kind of make like unlocking. The end I'm just like putting together, all right? And just tape it here. Bingo. So it's not gonna move. That's insulated. If it's going backwards and heat and spark and psh, the decoder will be bye-bye. So I have pickup wires and I have those wires. Okay, those guys will test the motor. Okay, theoretically, you can solder and insulate it. I'm not used to it. We'll just do it very quick here, right there on the bench, like that. But to make everything looks nice, and they're not gonna short between each other, make them like different length, okay? And also tape. Maybe a little bit expensive way, but we have tons of that cotton tape. No problem. You can reuse it. Oh yeah, you can reuse it. Piece of cake. Okay, here we go. Just taped it here like that. So they're on a different length. They're not gonna catch each other, because if they catch, that decoder I can reset. Okay, if it's shorted. So that's what I need to do, and just hold it here, and the motor is supposed to be running whatever the direction. Then I mark the wire. I will probably bend it, okay, and that's it. Ooh, doggy. And yeah, we'll probably end it soon. After that test, done. So I have just simple Radio Shack, some wire from power supply, broken power supply, and those alligator clips. Is that alligator clips? Yes. So I'm on the programming mode right now, okay? I know that decoder is good. It was. So I'm connecting my power. Also, see how I'm doing it. I'm going through this, and I don't have power right now, and connecting like that, and just putting on the bench here. Okay, they're not gonna move, they're not gonna touch each other. Very simple, guys, and you're not wasting time. Those two wires for the headlight, and I test already LED, every LED before. Okay, so what we need to do, just hold it like that, turn the power, and turn a little bit on the throttle. Let's get the throttle. So that's my Rocco. Okay. So I'm putting a little bit forward. So as soon as that thing, like a pause or whatever, turning off, we're getting some signal to the decoder, okay? And right now, the worst case scenario, it just runs for like an inch, and those wires will be pulled, and we're not gonna damage anything, okay? Now I'm switching to the power, and you just need to like doing like this. Oh, did you hear? Uh-huh. That's it. It's actually moving. All right, so my orange is this. So the orange, look what I'm doing. I'm just bending it. Okay, now I'm turning power off. No mess. Done. And I'm bending that wire, because I'm going to solder it pretty much right now. Okay, that's it. That's how you determine it's going backwards. Okay, so in this case, I need to switch polarity. Actually, sorry about that. I need to switch polarity. I need to bend the other wire. And to be on the safe side, I'll test it again just in case. Yes, right. That's what I mean. Here we go. So I'm still getting signal, and that's my orange now. Okay, look, it's going forward. Perfect. Oh, smooth. Ага, человек, здорово. Here we go, guys. See, Very good. And those are my pickups. Yes, so what I need to do, I need a disconnect. I need a kind of um, just probably cut it here. Yeah, just cut it here and connect my wires from the decoder. Bingo. All right. Very nice. Very, very. Any regular decoder. The reason I'm using ESU, if I messed up, I can easily mess it up. Believe me. Then I can reset it if it's not completely blown or something, right? So if you're not putting voltage on output of the decoder, you should be fine. And if it just shorted motor output or whatever output, you can use the reset with a programmer, or you can use just CV8 to 8. I think that's the resetting. Usually we're using a computer for it. Okay, so ta-da! I'll do cable management later for you guys, a little bit later today, because I need to finish it. No questions. Okay, that's very nice. Okay, theoretically I can do it right now, but oh well. Taking my time. Move that out of the way. All right. Believe me, and if you organize your even small area, I have like tons of tables here, but I have a lot of installation going on. Okay, you can use these guys, okay? Or you can buy probably for like $10, something like that. That's very hard, but I have another version someplace. Yeah, you can use it like that too, so you can not using that third arm, just something like that. Yeah, that will do it too, to get your cable straight and connecting well. So we just use that those tweezers. So show you some tips. Okay, I want to keep some extra wire, so I'm going to use this orange straight to the like connection this way. Ta-da! And in this version it's kind of the orange almost like red. Yes, you. But yeah, means they are different compared to, you know, different decoder manufacturers, whatever. Yeah, that's my orange for sure. Okay, just do like that. Okay, and I have a rubbery kind of rubbery, yeah, that what's the name? Static, anti-static, very nice. But new decoder is definitely protected of EMI and other junk, you know, filters and stuff. So plus some, I think Zemo also you can reset. Lens for sure, but again, Lens was a little bit sensitive to not really handle like something crazy. Yeah, so I blow probably 2 or 3. Oh, Sumitomo, only Sumitomo. no substitute. Okay, I'm tired of the, I mean, sometimes uh, it wasn't enough for me, so I ran to Home Depot. We like out, I don't know, we sold everything literally, and I don't have it at the store, and I need to finish something like right away. So I run to the Home Depot, got like a set of those shrink tubing. Boy, some of them good, some of them not. Some of them really junk. Means you need like run like 700 degrees, you know, to make them shrink. It's just crazy. Yeah. So I like my fancy new velour set. It's very nice. I'll put a little bit more. Kinds of blinking. That means it's adjusting temperature, and it's cool. I like it a lot. Yeah. And flux, Kester 186, military grade, good stuff. Oh yeah. So you can touch Sumitomo. I'm just touching it, man, with that soldering gun. Okay? And there is no problem. Some junk, you touch it, it starts kind of melting and leaving residue on your stuff, man. Seriously. This is not really avionics or anything crazy. This is just like homemade, you know, stuff. So you don't need to be like crazy, but you need to make some nice stuff too, you know. Not, yeah, we'll be using the same length for better cable management. Okay. A long time ago, I have camera. Means it's still camera, like for security, and I just put it on the website. What like at the shop. Yeah, it's old, still working. But you need a Java. You need to constantly do something with your browser. You know, it's updates. But you can watch what I'm doing. I'll just bring my one of the Logitech camera to the shop, and I probably can do the same over there. Yeah, I mean, definitely that was an idea. Okay. Nice. I have a fan, like, it sucked that fume, but that's okay. It's not a big deal. If you're doing it every day, 8 hours a day, yeah, we have some ventilation, which is I have in another place, but for just occasionally soldering, it should be good. Okay, so done. And now I'm going to test it with pickups from here, from the decoder. Ta-da! Well, first I'm going to make sure it's on a programming track, right? I put the decoder away. Uh-oh. Come on. Yes. No. I just use this, guys. Never mind. Okay, I'm on programming track right now, okay? So connecting this. I'm connecting, see the arrangement, connecting these guys. Cool. There we go. Oh yeah, I know. Done. Okay. Then we're keeping them like that. Yeah, make sure nothing really touching. It's a little bit short, but that's okay. That's okay. This is all. If it will be short, this short my digital system. Okay, so not big deal. Yeah, I can hold it like that, no problem. So what we need to do to test it, that's fine. It's not touching the frame or anything. Actually, this way, yeah, that's perfect. So I'm on. Unfortunately, I cannot really show you. That's my black box with the lens set. Not the throttle from 100, right? So direct. Did you hear it? And it's kind of moves one more time. Address. Done. So it's 3. Okay. Now I'm taking my throttle. Now I need to be on that neutral position. That like a pause, right? Then watch. Should be, if I'm turning on that direction, the arrow this way. Sorry, you barely can see it. Probably here we go. The arrow this way, it should be moving forward. Just apply a little bit of juice. Yeah, that should do it. Here we go. See? Chaga chaga choo choo. Oh, that's it for today, guys. Means for this morning. I gotta go. And I'll finishing it definitely tonight and take the video at the shop. Maybe I can do I can do broadcast from my mobile. Ha ha ha, with DCCTRAIN, because I have more. I just reach we actually guys together reach 9,000, but again you just need 1,000 subs to broadcast from your mobile phone. Cheers. I hope it helps you a little bit. Not big deal, just some technique of soldering. Clean area, good tools, good flux, good materials. Success. Thanks for coming, guys. I'll see you later. Chaga chaga choo choo.